Hi everyone, dear listeners, welcome. I'm Bengisu. Today we thank you for joining us in this exciting journey into the world of IT service management and chatbot integration, including WhatsApp. We are delighted to have you here. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving digital landscape, the significance of seamless ITSM solutions cannot be overstated. With the integration of chatbots like WhatsApp, we are taking service optimization to new heights. This webinar offers an opportunity for gaining knowledge, exchanging ideas, and exploring how Automate's innovative approach is transforming IT service management. So what will we discuss in this webinar? First, we will get to know Automate closer. Then we will see how Automate integrates with WhatsApp through an example. And finally, I will try to answer your questions. Also, we have another informative session scheduled for today. The second session will take place at 4 p.m. in Turkey time. If you are ready, let's dive into the world of ITSM and chatbot integration that promises to reshape the way you perceive service excellence. Don't forget, during the webinar, write your question in the chat. Okay, guys, as you know, companies looking to become digital enterprises must integrate their systems and data. This is essential for making autonomous decisions and improving efficiency. But integrating multiple systems can be challenging sometimes. This is because systems often cannot communicate with each other, leading to data isolation and operational inefficiencies. To overcome these challenges, companies should use a unified platform that can integrate all of their systems and data. This enables them to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and provide a better customer experience. Automate is a service technology optimizer that helps companies on their digital transformation journey by providing a different perspective. It showcases these capabilities on a hyper-automation model platform. With Automate, you can improve and streamline your internal processes end-to-end, saving time and money. And as a result, you can create a productive work environment and win happy customers. Automate offers 3 different service offerings to support you on this journey. First service is Gear 1, Service Engagement Experience. This service improves and simplifies the first contact process with your customers. As a result, a customer who knows they will receive good service will be won over. And the second service is Gear 2, Service Operations and Delivery Experience. This service improves and simplifies the operational and delivery operations of your processes. For example, you can automate departmental internal processes to allow your employees to focus on more value-added tasks, so increasing their motivation. And the final service is service integration and intelligence part. It digitizes your in-departmental processes within the company, allowing you to offer your team a completely different working experience thanks to the integration of different systems and applications, processes. And also, thanks to its Automate's AI feature, you can clone all of these services, all of these situations with data analysis capabilities in a single structure and become a digital enterprise. Let's take a closer look at each of our services and learn how we will do this. Our first focus is to ensure that the first impression you leave on your customers is unforgettable. Because imagine you bought, for example, headphones from 2 different e-commerce sites. You started communicating with both institutions because, for example, the headphones came broken. One of them spoke to you very well, said they understood you and quickly offered you a solution, but the other one close by saying they were reviewing your request. Which side would you continue with? With Automate, we aim to strengthen your service quality by moving you away from traditional process such as mailing, form filling, always calling someone. By providing a chatbot service, especially for collaboration tools you are familiar with your daily lives, like WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and etc. And for example, we created a fully digitized service catalog with Koç Holding, a very important holding company in Turkey. In addition to opening and closing requests and querying their status via WhatsApp, they can quickly perform their daily needs, such as password learning and querying the lunch menu via WhatsApp chatbot. And they don't have to reach someone or use another application for this. And digitization becomes necessary when we recognize that routine tasks, which are often the most time-consuming for employees, make up a significant portion of their workload, especially in the business context. These tasks are processes that cause you to be in contact with different people, to draw in documents because they have a certain procedure, and so to make a lot of mistakes. But thanks to Tier 2 services, we aim to save you from error-prone and worthless workloads by automating your repetitive tasks. By digitizing a process within your business, we make a manually and repetitively working employee more motivated to work by eliminating human error, and we increase the efficiency and consistency of business process. So we support you in increasing the service quality of your business by saving time and cost and providing instant and accurate solutions to problems thanks to the increased process and employees' performance. Let us explain with an example to clarify. For example, let's take a look at the onboarding, offboarding process. These are account processes that need to be completed on time between HR and IT departments when an employee starts or leaves the job, and are often tried to be resolved generally with email traffic, With Automate, you can digitize this process and automate the repetitive account process that is manually performed on IT. This means you can update, add, or remove any number of users in the system in seconds. This will eliminate both user dissatisfaction caused by the inability to be included in the system in time during the requirement process, and also security problems that may occur in the company due to employees who are not removed from the system. And finally, I would like to mention that with Tier 3 services, you can integrate different systems and applications using Automate. By doing so, you can establish an intra-company workflow and communication system, making your process more efficient and sustainable without needing to adapt to new experience, new ones. Let me explain what I mean with an example. Think about end users and software teams. One side has requests and the other side has an existing work plan in the current system. Both groups manage their requests and work plans through different applications, different ways. Do they need a different product or person to come together? Or do they have to send each other emails or sending messages and wait for a response? Of course not. For example, when you integrate an ITSM product like For Me with the Jira application commonly used by software teams, through Automate, the end user's request becomes a problem ticket for the software team. After the software team makes the necessary developments, they close the ticket. At the same time, the ticket opened by the end user is also closed. So the problem is resolved without the need for anyone else. This way, not only is the end user satisfied because the task is completed, but also any potential chaos within the software team is avoided. So far, I've been trying to explain to you 3 service processes aimed at making your job easier. But what about smart processes? Let's take a look together. As you know, Automate is a platform that aims to facilitate the digital transformation process of businesses. But it has extended its codeless structure to include artificial intelligence technology, enabling the establishment of accurate and high-quality data flow through ready-made models. This means that even someone without technical knowledge can create artificial intelligence models and analyze processes simply by collecting and organizing distributed data based on specific parameters. For example, by combining a popular artificial intelligence tool nowadays, like ChatGPT, with services like WhatsApp chatbots, you can have an instantly accessible personal assistant. You can easily respond to customer queries using ChatGPT and then redirect them to a new process, new transactions. And I've tried to explain how we can support your digitalization journey with our various features. Automate provides a flexible solution for digitalization, allowing you to start with what you need and customize it to your unique process, avoiding the frustration and cost of unnecessary services. For example, let's consider the order-to-cash process digitalization, basically. For example, you have a shoe company and a female employee provides customers with offers through a WhatsApp chatbot. Automate Tier 1 services makes it easier for her by quickly collecting requests and sending offers. And with Automate Tier 2 services, the process of turning approved offers into orders is automated, simplifying the work of the sales team. And Tier 3 services send the generated orders to the finance and production departments for enabling billing and recipe processes to be managed from a single point. That's why Automate becomes a medicine to treat that your problematic part for you. So you can start in your digitalization journey with Automate wherever you want and whenever you want. We previously mentioned that Automate functions like medicine by healing the area where you are experiencing issues. We work with many prominent institutions globally, and our commitment to them is unwavering. Our goal is to make our customers' work easier by digitizing their process while keeping customer satisfaction intact. We achieve this without causing excessive costs or requiring major adjustments to their existing routines. So how do we do this? First, we listen to you and work together to identify the problematic part. We make improvements and ensure that these changes integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. And you can view some examples of our successful implementations with our clients on the screen. For example, notification apps process. Our primary focus is on enhancing customer relationships, so it falls under Tier 1 services. Debit form management, onboarding, offboarding process, where our primary focus is streamlining departmental processes and automating repetitive tasks. So these fall under Tier 2 services. And the SDLC process falls under Tier 3 because we collect in facilitating communication between different systems, different data. To discover more about these success stories directly through the mouths of our clients, please visit our website at automate.com. Because Automate, a hyper-automation product and complete platform, eliminates the challenges you face in this process, allowing you to maintain your habits while achieving intelligent, sustainable, functional, and trackable process as a result. Your customers will elevate you due to the quality of service they receive, and your employees, thanks to a comfortable and efficient working environment, will take you to higher levels. In summary, Automate integrates the conveniences of technology into your business without requiring you to change your habits, and helps you track and manage your data processes accurately through its 3 different services. This allows you to start building the future of your businesses upwards without breaking your comfort zone and without the need for significant time and money investments. To decide where to start, all you need to do is reach out to us. This page is related to our references. Automate is a rapidly growing platform that has already been adopted by leading business in Turkey and all around the world. We are committed to helping our customers succeed. For example, Koç Holding, we created a full digitized service catalog. Remember what we discussed in Year 1, service engagement experience? We handle lots of daily tasks using different tools. With Automate's WhatsApp chatbot integration, you can bring all those tasks into one place, WhatsApp, which is channel you use every day. Now let's create our own example together. In this example, the player also will be the For Me ITSM product. Now, first of all, open the WhatsApp chatbot. And to initiate a conversation with the chatbot, type anything. For example, hello. And after that, it asks us which ITSM product we want to work it. And in this example, I choose For Me. And after we select For Me, it recognizes us and asks what operation we want to perform. First, let's create a request. And now I need to choose the department for which we will create a request. I want to choose, for example, IT department. And then let's specify the subject of our request from our ready templates about your customer's process. For example, I want to choose user support and troubleshooting topic. And now we can write our request. For example, I broke my camera that I use webinar. And as you can see, our request is created along with a link. Now let's see if our record has been created in For Me. Let's go to the My For Me account and refresh my page. Yes. As you can see, we quickly created our request using WhatsApp. If we want, we can also check our open requests on WhatsApp and add some notes to them. For this, now go back to WhatsApp. And we can start a conversation again. For example, I can write hello again. And I select For Me again because it's my player. And now I wanna check my open request. And here you can see all open requests. But don't forget, your last request is always top of the list. And that's why I check my request ID and click it. And then it asks me what you want to do. You can check our request status or you can add some notes. For example, I want to add some notes. about my request. And for example, please make sure camera features are high. And then, according to WhatsApp, my notes is added. And now let's check my notes in For Me account. Refresh my page. Yes, this is here. As you can see, our note is also here. Actually, that's all. That's quite simple. You just have to know, that's quite simple. You just have to know clearly what you wanted from your chatbot. Okay, so how did we do this with Autom Mate? Now let's go to the Autom Mate. And what you see on the screen is the flow design screen in Autom Mate, where you structure your process. Here you are actually looking at the design of the flow I showed you about our WhatsApp example. And on the left, there are 3 different categories, library categories. From these libraries, we select the apps categories because WhatsApp is here. And it has some actions that will assist us in designing our chatbot process. This way, you have a uniquely designed chatbot according to your preferences. I drag and drop the action I need and just write the necessary parameters into it. For example, I drag and drop text action in here. And open action control center part, configuration form part. And I can write here something. For example, is there any question? And when I save the flow, my chatbot will ask this question also. Actually, that's how simple everything is with Autom Mate, thanks to its no-code structure. You don't need to be technical guy or you don't need to know technical side well. You just need to know your process well. And also, actually, we can create our chatbot not only with IT services, but also with different services. For example, you can, for example, if you are feeling unwell and want to request time off, you can quickly inquire about your days off via WhatsApp and relax at home accordingly. And throughout the presentation, we discuss how happy customers and employees can elevate us, working with a team that believes in finding quick and accurate solutions to their problems and can allocate time for themselves will always give you an advantage. You will outperform your competitors with a different strategy. At least we are trying to help you achieve this with Autom Mate. And if you are wondering how to get Autom Mate, you can choose from our flexible licensing options. We offer on-premises and cloud licenses to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. And if you want to join the Autom Mate family or stay informed about us, please follow us on our social media accounts or visit our website, automate.com. You can also try Autom Mate for free by creating a demo account, demo.automate.app. And now I check your question on chat. Actually, in 4 p.m. at 4 p.m. it is the same webinar because we want to organize a different session from joining different countries, clients or people. If you have any questions, I really appreciate answer your question. Okay. Actually, you can enter our demo account for free during 14 days. And after that, please contact us and we can organize new areas for you. You don't create chatbot service just by using WhatsApp. You can also use Microsoft Teams, Slack, and any other collaboration tools. And also we can integrate your chatbot service. Maybe you use different chatbot service for within the company, your company, and also we can integrate with it. Actually, we support every ITSM product because Autom Mate is industry agnostic and product independent platform. You can just tell us our problem and we can find our problematic part together, and after that we can organize our process in Autom Mate. I think that's all. If you have any other questions, please contact us because please contact us. This is our also addresses. And to go digital, all you need to do is take the first step. And if you want these steps to be right and profitable for you, you should get to know Autom Mate because we are always here to partner with you to create new success stories. Thank you very much for taking the time. Goodbye, guys, for now.